Alright, so it is Saturday morning. It is cold in the house. So here is the thermostat. I can't get the view of this thing. Where's my flashlight? Right here, grab my flashlight. Okay, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning. 6:49 to be exact. It says the room is 66 degrees. It's hard to see this. It's Saturday, 6:49 a.m. It says wake. System says heat. The little flame is on. Fan is auto. Push the little information thing here. System is set to heat at 70 degrees. So I understand that this should be on. It says if the temperature in the room is less than 70 degrees, heat. Measures the room temperature in the room at 66 degrees. It should be heating. It's not heating. Okay, so order the furnace. Is this thing on like telephone or what? Okay, so right here, power is on. If you look down inside here, there's two LEDs that are alternating flashing. Don't know if that means anything, but that's what's going on. Okay, so it's not on. It should be on. Nothing's happening. Okay, so what do I do? I'm going to try turning it off, turning it back on again. Let's try that. Okay, off. Turn it back on again. There's little LEDs in there. So like some sort of fan is not blowing air into the throughout the house, but some other whatever fan, something is on in there. The two LEDs are flashing. Okay, flame comes on. When these start alternate flashing again. My God. I'm gonna crap my drawers. I've been futzing with this thing all morning. Every time I have turned this goddamn thing on, this flame has gone off after 5 seconds. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, this thing has come to life and is trying to drive me out of my mind.